Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not working on Google Chrome. First of all, try YouTube in other browsers. So I'm going to open up an page here. As you can see, in this case, it says connect to the internet, even though I already am. So if you find out that it's not working on multiple browsers, make sure time and date is set correctly. Right click on in the bottom right and click on adjust date and time. You can check the date and time on other devices and you can manually change it personally. I would like to go and set it automatically like so. Then what you can do is return to YouTube, refresh the page. You may even want to go and fully restart Chrome and then go and see if it will then go and work. In this case, it is. If it's still not working, but it's working in other browsers, then what you should do is go to the top right of Chrome and click on the three dots and click on settings, then go over to the left into privacy and security and click on delete browsing data. Then what you want to do is go and clear your browsing data. So go and select browsing history, cookies, and other site data and cached image and files and site settings. They are the main ones there. Click on delete data, and then what you can do is go and close Chrome and restart it. Then come back to YouTube and go and see if the problem is now solved. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.